Gigo.
Today, we are going to take a look at some ways to play with the Gigo Soma cube. First, please get these parts together. Now, let's start combining the blocks into 7 basic shapes. First, we use a 6-hole cube for each shape. We do this so the shapes we make don't have any pegs on the outside. Now, we have completed the Soma cube. Now, pay close attention here. In addition to starting with a 6-hole cube, the colors are important. When we assemble the model like this, we can build a model with alternating colors. Also, please pay attention to the position and orientation of these pieces. Let's build the cube model. To begin, I suggest that we start with these pre-built pieces. It'll be easier to plan the model and position the other blocks. First, we start from the bottom, and then slowly stack them up. If you want a bit of an extra challenge, you can use the interlaced colors like I am. This will increase the difficulty. But I'm sure if you try that, you can do it. Since these 2 blocks are flat, I will leave those to the end. Next, let's have a go at the sofa model. Do you have a sofa at home? It should be quite easy to assemble the sofa. So let's start with the cushion. Now the cushion is done. Let's move on to the back of the sofa. To make a chair shape, first you have to make the seat part. 3-dimensional blocks can be used to make the seat. It will be easier to construct a 3-dimensional structure. Now, let's put on the back of the chair. The dog model again is quite simple. Let's do the forefoot first. Next comes the body and head. Let's just leave the hind feet and tail. This next model is the legendary Loch Ness Monster. This monster has a long history and it's said to have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. There are many opinions about his appearance. If you are interested, you can check it online. Let's start with the robot's feet. Each robot has a particular set of characteristics, such as a huge body. Now, we will assemble the 2 hands. Finally, let's add a handsome head to complete the model. Next up is the cutest model, big heart and small heart. Can you see the small heart shape? Next is the big heart. See the 2 hearts side by side? First, finish one side, then the other. Have you ever seen a tunnel? There should be a semicircular structure in a tunnel. Let's make the walls on either side first. Now we put on the most important part, the roof. Let's build a small staircase together. First, we have to make one side of the stairs. And then stack the pieces slowly. And slowly add pieces to the other side. There's a special name for tall buildings that you find in cities. Skyscraper. Every skyscraper is big and tall. Some even have a pointed roof. Let's use the blue and white alternating colors to build a church. Remember to keep a line down the middle for the cross and the stairs. How about trying something more abstract? This Jazz City wall has many spikes in a line. After finishing one side, you can gradually add parts and make it longer. Have you ever seen the monument and the memorial parts? If you have the chance, you should go. This model is very similar to the monument. At the Taiwan Peace Memorial Park. The other side has a kind of staircase shape. Rockets are used to transport people and things into outer space, but you won't often find them in your daily life. They can fly away from Earth. It's an awesome sight. Beds are an indispensable furniture item. Every day we spend about a third of our lives sleeping. Is your bed shaped like this?